Hi, I'm Lisa, and this is my daughter Francesca. We're getting ready to go away, and after many years of cancelled plans, the thought of packing for a holiday is quite stressful, especially in a busy household like mine. So here's my tips for success when it comes to packing with ease. First things first, we make our lists on what we're taking away. And the kids help by making their own lists too. This helps to make sure I haven't forgotten anything and also stops me from overpacking. It can be tempting to throw in the odd extra item, but be tough on sticking to your list. When you're packing for a family of 5, good organisation really helps. For me, I like to keep similar items all together in the one spot so that they are easy to find once we are at our destination. Technology items are what cause me the biggest headaches. We have so many chargers and cords for various devices we own as a family. So I have a trusty technology case set aside for them, and everything goes in here. It's inevitable that we'll take breaks whilst on the road, so I always like to make sure that we're well stocked with supplies. Everyone has their own water bottle, and my trick is popping them in the freezer the night before so that it stays cold throughout the trip. We're typically early risers and like to get on the road as soon as possible to make the most of the day, meaning picnic breakfast for the kids to enjoy. I'll pack their snack boxes the night before with fresh fruit, yogurt, pouches, and anything that's easy to eat without cutlery or plates. The best part about this, there's no extra mess made in the morning or need to worry about final washing up. I just pack everything in the esky and we're off. We've all got those special little sentimental items we're used to keeping close to us, and for me that's jewellery. These pieces are really meaningful to me and I feel a bit strange without them, so they come with us on holiday and need to be stored safely on the go. For me, less fragile items go into larger jewellery boxes, and the smaller, more delicate items go back in the boxes I bought them in. Simple tip: for even more padding and to save on space, I tuck these smaller boxes into shoes and they don't get lost amongst everything else. To avoid the stresses of returning home, I designate one suitcase for laundry, and during our trip we move all dirty items into it. I'll always take a few spare waterproof bags for anything that comes home wet after any final swims or beach trips. When at home, this all goes straight into the wash and means less sorting. Lastly, air those suitcases before storing away for your next trip. Nothing special, I give them a quick wipe down, tip out any sand or dirt that's made it back with us, and air them outside for a couple of hours. Helps keep everything fresh for the next trip. And that's us set. For more tips on how to get ready for your next trip, visit allianz.com.au/holiday ready.